little drops of rain.
Wonderful.
Where am I? You are in the sky. We are in a cloud. Who are you? I'm a water droplet. I am too. I'm cold. Let's stick together. The droplets stick together. They get heavy.
Good.
Then the droplets turn to rain. Look out below. Here we come. Out. The stream flows into a river. We are in a pipe. Where are we going? Some water goes into people's homes. Please excuse us. Uh-oh, he's pulling the plug. Down we go. The water flows out of the pipe. It flows into a river. The river flows into the sea. The sun warms the sea. I'm hot. Let's get out of here. We are flying. The water droplets are in the clouds again. Hey, we've been here before. I'm cold. Let's stick together. The droplets stick together. They get heavy. Then they turn to rain. Look out below. Here we come again.
Good.